Natural lip care for soft pink lips. If you have a routine care for your face, then you will need one for your lips also. Soft, pink and sensual lips are an important part of your look. If your lips are soft and healthy, then your lipstick will look better on. Your lips get dry and chapped as a result of weather conditions, your habits and way of life. So care for them, because soft and nurtured lips are attributing to beautiful skin and nourished face. It will only take few minutes of your time and ingredients that you already have in your kitchen to have the perfect lips. All you need is to follow few simple tips and some simple recipes for natural lip care, and you will have the softest and most beautiful lips. Your habits are harming your lips. You are licking your lips to get them wet, but that will not work. They will just chap in the winter cold. If your lips are dry, you probably need more water. Dry lips are a sign of dehydrated organism. If you lick them, it will not solve the problem, it will create more. When your lips are chapped, there is a big chance of infection, especially if they get in contact with dirt. Natural care for beautiful lips. Massage your lips. Get soft or clean toothbrush and massage your lips to remove dead skin cells and to improve circulation. You can dip the brush in castor oil so that the lips will also be protected and nourished. Natural scrubs for lips. Sugar scrub. Put a teaspoon of sugar on your palm and add few drops of olive oil and few drops of water. Mix well and apply on your lips. Massage in and then wash off. Coffee scrub. You need a teaspoon of coffee, teaspoon of salt and some coconut almond oil. Mix and apply on lips. Massage it on for 5 minutes and wash off. This scrub will also give you temporary effect of fuller lips. Honey scrub for chapped lips. Get 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar and few drops of essential oil of your choice. Mix until it is all united and apply it on the chapped lips. Leave it on for few minutes while you are constantly massaging them. Then wash off with warm water. Gently dry the lips with cotton cloth and apply some oil or Vaseline. Fruit lip care. Fruit masks. You can use fruits to make amazing mask for your lips. Fruits are full of vitamins and minerals that will work great and nurture, hydrate and soften your lips. Get a piece of apple and grate it. Add butter in 1:1 ratio. Apply the mixture on the lips for 15 minutes. After that, wash off with warm water. You can use banana, apricot, quince or watermelon instead of apple. You can also get few raspberries or strawberries and mash them and then apply on the lips. Leave on for 15 minutes and then wash off. You need to be careful because some fruits can temporarily darken your lips. Lighter lips fruit treatment. If you want to lighten the color of your lips, get few drops of lemon juice and tap them on the lips. The lips will become lighter and vitamin C will soften them. Natural lip masks. Nurturing mask. Mix a spoon of honey with half spoon of lard. You can keep this in a fridge in smaller glass container because it will be suit for few uses. Apply on the lips and keep on for 15 minutes and then wash off with warm water. Hydrating mask. Add 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice and 2 to 3 drops of olive oil in a spoon of double cream. Apply thick layer of the mask on the lips and hold on for 20 minutes. Fuller lips natural treatment. There is an old trick that will help you get fuller lips in no time naturally. All you need to do is mix a drop or 2 of peppermint essential oil with lip balm or Vaseline and apply the mixture on the lips. It may cause tingling and burning sensation, so don't exaggerate with it. You can use cinnamon oil instead, it will have the same effect. Natural lip balms. Cranberry lip balm. Mix 2 spoons of Vaseline and a teaspoon of cranberry juice and you will get amazing natural nurturing lip balm. Beeswax lip balm. You need 4 spoons of almond oil, a spoon of beeswax, 1/4 spoon of vitamin E oil, 7 drops of lavender essential oil and a spoon of honey. Warm up the oil and beeswax in a pot on a low heat. Then add the oil and vitamin E removed from the heat and then place the pot in a container with water. Add the honey while you are whisking as fast as you can until everything unites. Pour the mass in a container and leave it to cool down for 3 to 4 hours.